Well, hello, my writing, blogging, poetry writing friends. Please, please, please don't tell me that I'm the only one who has been blocked today. Yes, I'm talking about writer's block. I had it bad today, but I came up with a fun solution, and I'm so excited to tell you about it. My name is Julie Jordan Scott. I'm the Creative Life Midwife. I do a lot of creative projects, all sorts of them, but my anchor art, my favorite thing to do, more than acting, more than directing, more than mixed media art, is writing, pure and simple. I am so happy writing articles and essays, the occasional poem. Today, I was going to write a blog post and I actually had time to do it. I was thrilled, but then nothing happened. Not a thing. What do you do when you have time to write a blog post or time to write a chapter, time to work on a poem, and you sit down and nothing happens? Now, I bet that some of you can just start spewing off hacks and throwing out ideas right and left and right. That's usually how I am. But today, I let myself sit in the unpleasantness and came up with a really great idea. So I spent some time with some well-known writers to find out their secrets about writing and writer's block specifically. So I looked up stuff from Charles Bukowski and stuff from Bradbury, and there were lots of stuff by Maya Angelou, but I was like, I need another woman to give me some insight. There was my friend, Anne Lamott. Now, I might not have loved Anne Lamott's most recent book, but she reminded me that sometimes when you start writing, you're going to write badly, and that's okay. Just embrace it. So I went back to Google and I searched my first name, Julie, and is. Julie is. And boy, did I come up with some fun tidbits for writing. I collected 5 Julie is, and let me share you just a sampling so that you can think about typing your name into Google and coming up with some wacky places to start. Like, did you ever know there was a singer named Julie London who had an album called Julie Is Her Name? From all the looks of it, this was in the 70s, 60s, something like that. So Julie Is Her Name, which could take me down a whole bunch of spirals about my name, about identity, about who I am, who I was born to be. See how that simple thing, Julie Is Her Name? All of a sudden, it's like the clouds opened up and the birds started singing. And I had all kinds of things I could talk about, but wait, there's more. I don't know how people get listings on Urban Dictionary, but Urban Dictionary said Julie is underappreciated. Is that it? Yes, Julie is underappreciated. I was like, somebody finally noticed that I was underappreciated, which made me remember somebody who actually said something like that to me, but then he turned out to be a wolf in sheep's clothing, and boy, did that bring up a lot for me to write about. Oh, wait. There's one more I'm going to share with you right now. The rest is on my blog, so you can read the whole blog post, but this one's kind of eerie and funny. I take back the funny. It's not funny at all, but I found it's really not funny. I don't know why I said the word funny. Sometimes even writers don't come up with good words, but I found an obituary for a woman named Julie, who's actually 7 years younger than me, died a couple weeks ago. And she married a man, same first name as the man that I married, and she left behind 3 children. I have 3 children. Okay, this sounds like the beginning of some Hallmark's mystery movie or something, but again, lots of things for me to think about and branch out from. And see, that's what happens with writer's block. It's like writer's block leaves you in this really, really skinny little nothing plant. And that when you can plow through it, all of a sudden you have a big tree with lots of branches to play with. So I invite you to try this technique. Even if you're not blocked, just write your name is into Google, see what comes up, and then create some branches. A tree with Julie is, branches going off, and then from those branches, and then leaves, and then blog posts, and then poems, and then plays, and then who knows? So tell you what, please come back and tell me how this goes for you. If you want to write something in the comments right now, that would be great. If you'd like to subscribe, that would be fabulous, or follow me, depending upon where you see this. But no matter what, I think you'll have a good time and perhaps come up with some conversations with your friends. So thanks so much for watching. This is Julie Jordan Scott, the Creative Life Midwife. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I'm so glad you now have one more way to end any kind of block that you have. Plant a tree, let it grow. Take good care.